rooted in its expansive and intricate database. This vast reservoir of information empowers it to conduct comprehensive analyses and deliver precise predictions, placing it far above other AI solutions available today. Imagine receiving personalized recommendations that are intricately tied to growth predictions and key financial metrics. This AI not only identifies potential investment opportunities in the stock market, but transforms the way users engage with their financial future. Transitioning into the user experience, the AI boasts a remarkably intuitive interface, complete with templates designed for stock inquiries. This thoughtful approach allows investors to pose specific questions and swiftly obtain the information they seek, simplifying their investment journey. Moreover, the recent price drops in cryptocurrencies and oil have significantly impacted investor sentiment. These fluctuations are not mere statistics. They hold the potential to sway market trends and shape critical investment choices for many. As we delve deeper, Vietnam's emerging market potential becomes increasingly evident. With numerous companies demonstrating profitability growth, a world of opportunity unfolds for investors who are eager to explore high-growth sectors on a global scale. In this landscape, the advanced AI tools play a pivotal role in technical analysis. They stand as essential allies for investors, facilitating data-driven decisions even in the midst of unpredictable and volatile market conditions. Furthermore, users are empowered to create custom filters tailored to specific criteria, allowing them to pinpoint companies with substantial dividend potential and significant growth opportunities. This transformative feature streamlines the investment selection process remarkably. The AI robot also enables users to scrutinize historical performance alongside fundamental values of various companies. This thorough examination simplifies the evaluation of potential investments, equipping investors with the knowledge needed to make informed choices. With the advantage of access to regularly updated portfolios designed to surpass benchmarks like BSD, investors find fresh opportunities for higher returns. This invaluable feature aids in uncovering undervalued stocks and formulating promising investment strategies. As we focus on market specifics, Beasler Gita has shown a significant reaction at the 144 moving average level, indicating potential support. Analysts suggest that an upward movement may be on the horizon, creating excitement among investors. Similarly, Dardanelle appears to exhibit strength, as the Bollinger Bands and MA55 are harmoniously aligned, potentially signaling an upward reaction should positive indicators continue to emerge. Lastly, Deva Holding finds itself at a critical decision point, with its technical indicators suggesting potential support. The developments of this week could very well prove pivotal for its future performance, leaving investors eagerly anticipating what lies ahead.